Do you love the look of lush indoor plants, but constantly forget to water them? You're not alone. Many people accidentally neglect their houseplants because of busy schedules, travel, or simply forgetting. The good news is that some plants are incredibly forgiving. These hardy houseplants store water in their leaves, stems, or roots, allowing them to survive weeks with little attention. Whether you're a beginner, a busy professional, or someone without a green thumb, these plants can stay healthy and beautiful with minimal care. In today's video, we're counting down 15 amazing houseplants that thrive even if you forget to water them. Some of these plants can survive for weeks without a drink, while still looking fresh and vibrant. Stay until the end, because our final plant is one of the toughest houseplants you'll ever own. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called one of the toughest houseplants on Earth, and for good reason. Its thick, upright leaves store plenty of water, allowing it to survive weeks of drought without showing signs of stress. Even if you completely forget about it for 2 or 3 weeks, it usually continues looking healthy. Snake plants also tolerate low light, bright, indirect light, and even some direct sun. They're incredibly low maintenance and require watering only when the soil has dried out completely. Overwatering is actually more dangerous than underwatering because it can cause root rot. Besides being nearly indestructible, snake plants also add a modern, architectural look to any room. If you're looking for the perfect plant for beginners or busy lifestyles, this resilient beauty deserves the #1 spot. 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is famous for surviving almost any indoor condition. Its glossy green leaves and thick underground rhizomes store water like natural reservoirs, allowing the plant to go weeks without watering. It thrives in low light, offices, bedrooms, and apartments where sunlight is limited. In fact, many people accidentally kill ZZ plants by watering too often instead of too little. Simply water when the soil becomes completely dry, and the plant will reward you with lush, shiny foliage all year long. Its slow growth means it doesn't demand much attention, making it ideal for travelers or anyone with a hectic schedule. If forgetfulness describes your plant care routine, the ZZ plant may become your new favorite companion. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera isn't just a beautiful succulent. It's also one of the easiest plants to keep alive. Its thick, fleshy leaves store large amounts of water, allowing it to survive extended dry periods. Aloe enjoys bright sunlight and only needs watering every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the season. The key is letting the soil dry completely before watering again. Besides its drought tolerance, aloe vera offers an extra bonus. Its gel can soothe minor burns and skin irritation. This combination of beauty, usefulness, and resilience makes aloe vera one of the best houseplants for busy homeowners who occasionally forget to water. 4. Jade plant. The jade plant is a classic succulent, known for its thick stems and fleshy leaves that store plenty of moisture. Native to dry climates, it's naturally adapted to survive long periods without rainfall. Indoors, it prefers bright light and infrequent watering. In fact, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings helps prevent root problems and encourages healthy growth. Many people also believe jade plants symbolize prosperity and good fortune. With proper care, they can live for decades, and even become treasured family heirlooms. If you're looking for a beautiful plant that forgives neglect, jade is an excellent choice. 5. Ponytail palm. Despite its name, the ponytail palm isn't actually a palm tree. Its swollen trunk acts like a giant water tank, storing moisture for weeks or even months. This unique adaptation allows it to thrive with minimal watering. The long, cascading leaves give it a fun, tropical appearance while requiring very little maintenance. Ponytail palms love bright light and dry soil. Overwatering is the biggest threat, so it's perfectly happy if you occasionally forget to water it. This quirky plant is perfect for modern homes and offices. 6. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant earned its name because it's nearly impossible to kill. It tolerates drought, low light, poor humidity, and temperature fluctuations better than most houseplants. While it appreciates occasional watering, it can easily survive if you forget for a while. Its broad, dark green leaves remain attractive year-round, making it a favorite for beginners. If your home has dim lighting and you're not consistent with watering, the cast iron plant will still reward you with healthy foliage. 7. Spider plant. Spider plants are incredibly adaptable and bounce back quickly after mild neglect. Their thick roots store water, helping them survive occasional dry spells. They prefer bright, indirect light, but tolerate lower light conditions as well. Spider plants also produce baby plantlets that hang from long stems, creating a beautiful cascading display. Even if you miss a watering or two, they're usually quick to recover once watered again. Their forgiving nature makes them one of the most popular houseplants worldwide. 8. Pothos. Pothos is famous for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. It's one of the easiest indoor plants to grow because it adapts to almost any environment. While regular watering helps it grow faster, Pothos can survive dry soil much better than many tropical plants. If neglected, its leaves may droop slightly, but they often perk back up within hours after watering. This dramatic recovery makes Pothos both forgiving and rewarding for beginner gardeners. 9. Yucca cane. Yucca cane is another drought-tolerant champion. Its thick trunk stores moisture, allowing it to withstand extended periods without water. It thrives in bright light and prefers the soil to dry completely between waterings. Yuccas are often used in homes and offices because of their bold, upright appearance and exceptional toughness. As long as you avoid overwatering, this plant requires very little effort to stay healthy. 10. Burro's tail. Burro's tail is a stunning succulent with long trailing stems covered in plump leaves that store water efficiently. Because of these water reserves, it can survive weeks without watering. It enjoys bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. Although its delicate leaves can fall off if handled roughly, it's remarkably drought-resistant and perfect for hanging baskets. If you're forgetful with watering, Burro's tail will likely forgive you. 11. Haworthia. Haworthia is a compact succulent that resembles a miniature aloe vera. It's ideal for desks, windowsills, and small apartments. The thick leaves store water, allowing it to tolerate long dry periods. Haworthias prefer bright, indirect light and require watering only after the soil has completely dried. Their slow growth and minimal care requirements make them excellent choices for beginners. 12. Rubber plant. Rubber plants have thick, leathery leaves that help reduce water loss. While they appreciate consistent care, they're surprisingly tolerant of occasional neglect. Allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings actually encourages stronger root development. Their glossy leaves add elegance to living rooms and offices, and they continue growing steadily with surprisingly little attention. 13. Christmas cactus. Unlike desert cacti, the Christmas cactus originates from tropical forests. Yet it still tolerates short, dry periods remarkably well. Its segmented stems store water, helping it survive missed waterings. During blooming season, moderate watering encourages beautiful flowers. But forgetting occasionally usually won't harm the plant. Its colorful blooms during the holidays make it a favorite among indoor gardeners. 14. Peace lily. Peace lilies are surprisingly forgiving, despite their elegant appearance. When thirsty, their leaves droop dramatically, giving you a clear signal that they need water. Fortunately, they recover quickly after a thorough watering. This built-in reminder makes them perfect for people who occasionally forget their watering schedule. With indirect light and occasional care, peace lilies continue producing lush green leaves and beautiful white blooms. 15. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen is one of the best low-maintenance tropical houseplants available. It tolerates low light, dry indoor air, and occasional mist waterings better than many other foliage plants. Its colorful leaves remain attractive year-round, and it grows steadily without demanding constant attention. Water only when the top few inches of soil feel dry. For anyone wanting a beautiful, nearly effortless houseplant, Chinese Evergreen is an outstanding choice. There you have it, 15 incredible houseplants that thrive even if you forget to water them. These resilient plants prove you don't need to be a gardening expert to enjoy a lush indoor jungle. Remember, most of these plants actually prefer being slightly underwatered rather than overwatered. So don't feel guilty if you occasionally forget. Which of these plants do you already own? And which one are you planning to bring home next? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy plant care tips, indoor gardening ideas, and beautiful houseplant inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.